If you are a company spending hundreds of thousands of euros or even more in skill development, or if you are a training organization and your clients ask you to measure the impact of your learning programs, you are in the right place. To help you, Learn Assembly created Learning Boost. Learning Boost is an entirely customizable self-assessment tool. With Learning Boost, you will be able to, first, easily create skills barometers. Second, give the participants access to an individual and confidential profile. And third, customize and then assess your learning offer according to each and everyone's needs. In what situations can you actually use Learning Boost? You are a training organization, and for your quality processes, you want to measure the impact of your learning programs. With Learning Boost, you will be able to individualize your programs and evaluate how learners apply the acquired knowledge in work situations. You are a company and you want to trigger a cultural and skill change within your teams, but before that, you want to evaluate the situation. With Learning Boost, you can create skills barometers to build your action plan thanks to the collected data analysis. Ready to jump ahead and create your first self-assessment quiz? Request a demo of Learning Boost.